Hey everyone, Lonnie here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is where I talk about tech without the fluff, keeping it simple, smart, and straight to the point so you are one step ahead. So let's dive in.
Right now, billions of devices around the world are running on hundreds of different operating systems. From your phone to your smart fridge, from supercomputers to Mars rovers, they all need an OS to function. But here's the wild part. Most people have no idea what they actually are or how they work. So buckle up because we're about to speed run through every major operating system in just 5 minutes. Let's go. Starting with the big three you probably know. Windows, the undisputed champion with 70% of the desktop market. Born in 1985, Windows is everywhere because it's everywhere. Businesses love it, gamers need it, and your grandma knows how to use it. Windows 11 is the latest version, and love it or hate it, Microsoft isn't going anywhere. macOS, Apple's premium offering for their Mac computers. It's beautiful, it's smooth, and it's locked down tighter than Fort Knox. You can only run it on Apple hardware, which is either genius business or corporate tyranny depending on who you ask. Built on Unix foundations, it's stable, secure, and the darling of creative professionals. Linux, the open source rebel, not just one operating system but a whole family. Ubuntu, Fedora, Arch, Debian, there are literally hundreds of versions called distributions or distros. It powers most of the internet servers. All Android phones technically run on it, and tech enthusiasts swear by it. It's free, customizable, and if you can dream it, you can probably build it in Linux. Now let's talk about the OSs you touch 3,000 times a day. Android, Google's mobile empire running on over 70% of smartphones worldwide. Based on Linux, it's open source, which means Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, everyone makes their own version. Want to customize everything? Android's your friend. iOS, Apple strikes again. Running exclusively on iPhones is the walled garden approach. Everything is controlled, curated, and optimized. The App Store makes Apple billions, and their ecosystem locks you in beautifully. It's less flexible than Android, but it's smooth as butter. Special mention to iPadOS, basically iOS for tablets, and HarmonyOS. Huawei's answer after Google restrictions. Time for some respect to the OGs. MS-DOS, Microsoft's 1981 text-only system. No mouse, no graphics, just you and the command line. It ran everything before Windows showed up. Unix, the grandfather of modern computing. Created in 1969 at Bell Labs, it influenced literally everything that came after. macOS, based on it. Linux, inspired by it. It's still running critical systems worldwide. OS/2, IBM's failed Windows competitor. Amazing technology, terrible timing, basically the Betamax of operating systems. Next, Chrome OS, Google's lightweight system for Chromebooks. It's basically the Chrome browser as an OS, perfect for schools and people who live in the cloud. FreeBSD, Unix-like system that powers Netflix, PlayStation, and WhatsApp. You've probably used it without knowing. Real-time operating systems, RTOS, like free RTOS or VxWorks. These run on everything from pacemakers to aircraft. When milliseconds matter, these are the systems keeping us alive. Embedded systems, your smart TV, router, car dashboard, microwave, they all run tiny operating systems. They're invisible but everywhere. Looking ahead, we have the quantum operating systems are being developed for quantum computers. We're talking fundamentally different computing here. TempleOS, created by one programmer who claimed divine inspiration. It's bizarre, brilliant, and a tragic story worth looking up. ReactOS, an open source attempt to recreate Windows. Ambitious? Absolutely. Finished? Not quite. Fuchsia, Google's mysterious new OS that could replace Android, but time will tell. So from the giants like Windows and Android to the specialists running your microwave, every operating system is basically trying to solve the same problem, make computers usable by humans. Some do it with style, some with freedom, some with control, and some just try their best. The OS wars aren't over, they're just getting started. Whether you're Team Windows, Team Mac, or Team I use Arch, remember? We're all just trying to get our computers to do stuff without throwing them out the window.
If you found value in this, go ahead and give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with anyone you think might need it. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.